Future in Gema Kids. I firmly believe that exposing young minds to nature and fostering a love for the environment at an early age is essential. By incorporating gardening and planting activities into curriculum of Gema Kids, we can offer countless benefits to our children's development and instill in them a sense of responsibility towards our planet. Gardening provides a platform for creativity and self-expression. Preschoolers in Gema Kids can explore their artistic side by designing and decorating their garden spaces. They can create colorful signs, paint stones, or even construct simple structures like trellises or scarecrows. This artistic expression fosters imagination, boosts self-confidence, and adds an element of personalization to their gardening experience. Let's continue nurturing our little ones' love for the natural world by embracing the beauty of planting plants in our preschool.